Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the future of luxury performance with the most powerful electric sedan BMW has ever unleashed, the 2024 i7 M70. Buckle up, because this isn't your grandma's electric car. Exterior. First things first, let's talk about that head-turning exterior. Forget sleek silhouettes, the i7 M70 is all about bold lines and imposing presence. The enormous illuminated kidney grille screams "look at me," while the sculpted bodywork whispers "I mean business." Forget blending in. This car demands attention. Interior. But step inside, and the i7 M70 flips the script. Think first-class lounge on wheels with sumptuous leather, panoramic moonroof, and a massive 31-inch theater screen that folds down from the ceiling. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile oasis. Tech? Oh, boy, where do we even begin? The xdrive 8 system is like having a supercomputer at your fingertips, controlling everything from climate to navigation to that mind-blowing theater screen. And those panoramic touch displays. Forget buttons, the future is gesture control. Now, on to the part that makes your adrenaline surge. The performance. We're talking two electric motors cranking out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 811 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to 0-60 in a hair-raising 3.5 seconds, pinning you to your plush seat like a fighter jet on takeoff. But here's the kicker, it's all silent. This electric beast leaves tire smoke and astonished faces in its wake, all without a single ear-splitting roar. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Range anxiety. But fear not, the i7 M70 boasts a decent 274-291 miles on a single charge, enough for most daily commutes and weekend getaways. And when you need to refuel, you can snag 100 miles of range in just 15 minutes with DC fast charging. So, is the 2024 BMW i7 M70 the ultimate electric luxury sedan? Well, it's definitely a contender. It's got the power, the tech, the jaw-dropping interior, and enough range to keep you worry-free. But at a starting price of $169,495, it's not for everyone. But if you're looking for the most electrifying, luxurious, and slightly ludicrous driving experience of your life, the i7 M70 is calling your name. So, what do you guys think? Would you dare to experience the i7 M70? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic car reviews. Until next time, stay charged and drive safe.